What up, everyone? FG's back with you. Today I got a pretty cool unboxing video for you. I'm gonna give you my harsh opinion on the new DJI Mini 4 Pro, which I got in my hand. I'm gonna do the unboxing and give you my opinion on it and tell you everything that comes with it and give you my opinion on the whole purchase process and everything that goes along with that. So let's get started. So this is the Mini 4. I purchased this to add to my drone fleet, and this is the controller. Got a built-in screen, which is pretty cool, and these little knobs come off, which probably gonna lose, but I'll get to that a little further down the video. So let me show you everything that comes with the kit. All right, so this is pretty much everything that comes in the kit. And I bought the I got the Mini 4 Pro. I got the Fly More Combo Plus bundle. So I bought everything you could possibly get. I got the 3 batteries, the remote control with the, I'll put it away. The remote control. Hold on. Remote control with the screen. Got 3 batteries, 2 in the dock, charging dock, 1 in the drone. It's got a soft shell carry case, and like I said, there's the box they came with. It's got a little screwdriver. It's got 3 extra sets of propellers. I don't know why you need 3 extra sets of propellers. You shouldn't be hitting anything with the drone. I could see maybe, well, for starters, before I get onto the propellers, I spent $1,200 on this, and they really give you no way to charge this up. I had to go into town this morning to buy one of these to charge the drone. They don't give you one of these. So the 30-watt wall plug-in that you need to charge all this up. You can't charge it with a regular plug-in cell phone charger. It'll take forever. They recommend a 30-watt. So I spent $1,200 on this whole kit, and they don't give you one of these, which pisses me off to no end. So like I said, I had to spend 2 hours driving into town to go buy one of these. $12. They couldn't include, I spent $1,200. They couldn't include this. It's $12. But what they did include is they gave me a nice little Mavic Pro Lego set. Legos. It's supposed to be a drone Lego set, but you know, picture of a it's a drone Lego set you put together. So here's a little tip to the DJI marketing team: forget the Lego set and give me one of these when I buy one of these for $1,200. Okay, include one of these. And you could also, if you're short on money, you could leave off 2 sets of propellers. Why do you need 3 sets of propellers? You shouldn't be hitting anything with this. So if you need 3 sets of propellers, you shouldn't be flying a drone to begin with. You should be going to take some classes. There's plenty of classes you could go take. You shouldn't be hitting anything with the drone. And anyway, if you do hit something with this and it falls out of the sky, it's probably going to break because it's super light. I'll get to that in a second. It's supposed to be under 250 grams. I haven't weighed it to try to skirt some of the FAA regulations, but in my case, the weight doesn't make a difference at all. I still gotta register it because I use it commercially for my business, so I still gotta register it. Still gotta put an ID number on it and everything else. So getting to the drone. So here's the Mini 4 Pro. It gives you this little, gives you the soft shell carrying case. This slides into there. This little strap supposedly protects all the propellers, I guess, when it's in the bag. and it's a really cheap little strap that holds all this together. It's got a little tiny, it looks like it's a little plastic thing, and this is going to break too. This is, I can see where this is going to break to begin with. This is super cheap, so that's another epic fail in my opinion. So DJI marketing team, you got to improve on this and give me one of these for $1,200. So improve on this. And the other thing I don't like is, I don't know why they just don't have the push-in propellers like my other drones do. I don't know why they have the screw on, which that's going to be a problem in my opinion. But if you don't hit nothing, you shouldn't have to worry about it. You should be hitting propeller blades. So they gave 3 sets of blades, some extra screws, which is good. I got the controller with the screen, built-in screen, which is good. I don't got to put my cell phone on it. So this is the soft shell case they give you. It's got a little compartment for the remote, the drone. So it's a nice little compact if you want to take it hiking with you. I could take it biking. And if I see some cool places to get some shots, I'll do that. But anyway, I ordered this. It took like 2 weeks to get, and this, you know, this is the box it came with. Obviously, it's got lithium-ion batteries, so it's going to take a while to get. I don't know if they're allowed to fly those or what, but this took 2 weeks to get. It was in customs in Miami for a few days. I don't know why, but took like 2 weeks to get. So anyway, the cool thing I do like about it is it's got 3 batteries, 2 in here that come slide right out, and you could, and it gives you the indications on the side here. So the one thing I do like about it, which that charger that I have that I had to go buy that DJI didn't provide with me, I plugged this into the wall, and then I could charge the battery bank, and then I could take this cable and plug it into the remote control, and I could charge everything at once, which is pretty cool. So that feature I like. This charging bank I kind of like. It charges the most powered battery first, so you have one to go all the time. And just a little thing, I don't know if it's just this particular power pack or what. I charged the batteries this morning, and this thing got red hot. I don't know if it's a cheap charger or what the situation is, but this thing got red hot. And I don't know if you hear stories about lithium-ion fires. I definitely do not leave the house with any kind of lithium battery charging. I always disconnect it. So just be prepared. This might get super red hot, and I would not leave the house with these charging. That's just me. So anyway, and this is the case that I bought. I mean, I like the soft shell case. I'm probably going to use it on bike rides and adventure stuff and scuba diving and stuff like that. I have to put it in another dry bag, but anyway, this is the box it comes with. I'm supposed to scan this. I haven't done that yet. I still got to register with the FAA. So this is a case I bought on Temu, which is pretty good, and the remote control fits in here. I like hard cases for everything. And then the drone fits right in here, which is pretty good. So that fits in there snug. The batteries fit in there, and I can take whatever I want, close it up, and away I go. The other thing I don't like about the remote, their other remotes are similar, but these little knobs, you got to take off and you got to take on every single time you put it in the bag, which I don't like. These are definitely going to get lost. You know, some people say, oh, how are they going to get lost? But trust me, they'll get lost. You know, people will take them off just like I did here. They'll lay them in the dirt. They'll put this in here, be in a hurry to take somewhere, and they'll leave the knob somewhere. Then all of a sudden they get somewhere and they can't use this. So the good thing I like about the hard case is I could leave these on, put it in the case, and close the top, and there's enough room where it doesn't touch these, which is good. And then also I kind of always leave this flat. when I take it anywhere with my other drone. I got these cases for my other drones as well, so it keeps them. All right, so this is what everything looks like in the Temu case the case that I bought from Temu. I'd rather use a hard case than this one. This one I can throw in my truck. I used it a couple times already. It's great. The drone fits right in here. I could pop it right out. I don't have the a little bracket that holds it all together because it's not going to fit. And then a remote fits right in here. I pop it right out. I keep the little handles on it so I don't lose them. Got a spot for 2 batteries, all my paperwork. I got the extra blades. Like I explained in the video before, if you need all these extra propellers, you should be flying a drone. There's more extra propellers. I got my screwdriver. So everything fits in this case. It's definitely better than that soft shell case, in my opinion. So I'll leave the link for the case in the description. All right, so that's pretty much, I'm gonna put that back. So that's pretty much everything that comes with this bundle. Like I said, this is the Fly More Combo Plus bundle right there. So it gives you everything you need, 3 batteries, but it doesn't give you a charger, which annoys the crap out of me. So if any takeaway, if you get anything out of this video, you have to go buy one of these, a 30-watt charger. And this has got the smaller USB. I think it's USB-A, I think. So this has got the smaller. They do make ones with, you know, the USB-C. But I got this one, like I said, so I could charge that. So you have to go buy one of these. So if you're gonna buy one of these, you got to go buy one of these ahead of time, or order on Amazon. If you get it, I don't get Amazon in 2 days. It takes like a week. So you could order it on Amazon, but 30-watt charger. And then you also need an SD card. I got this. This is the one they recommend. There's a couple they recommend, but this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. Well, I got the 128 gigabyte, which is more than enough room for me. So if you go on their website, they give you a list of recommended memory cards. There's a memory card. There's internal memory, but I blow through that, you know, in no time. So you definitely need an SD card, and there's also a slot for an SD card in the remote controller too. If you want to record the screen, you could record the screen, and then I think there's, not 100% sure. I think there's no, you need a SD card, and then you could take the information off with the USB cable. So anyway, that's about it. That's pretty much all it comes with. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Let me know how you like the video. But like I said, go buy one of these first, and then you need a memory card too. I got 128 gigabyte, which is more than enough for any. I used to have my other drones too, so that's enough storage for me. That's about it. Any questions, hit me up. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.